So hey, this is Rick and welcome to another review. I just took this out of the package. This is a 4-in-1 soil survey instrument, better known as a soil tester and lights tester. It will give you your Fahrenheit or centigrade temperature. On the back, on the little button here, you can switch to pH, so you can check the pH of your soil. It lights up with an LED green lit display. It tells you whether your soil is dry or wet by taking the little cap off and putting it into your soil so that the probe will pick up. Right now, like you can see, it says low for sunlight, and that's because I'm just under an incandescent light in my basement right now. That's the sensor for the light right there. It takes a 9-volt battery, and the sensor and probe is about 7.5 inches. Overall length is going to be about a foot, 12 inches. The width is 2.5 inches by about 4.5. It goes into a lower power standby and will shut down so that you don't burn your battery up. The LCD display itself is about 1.5 by 1 inch. You can turn it off and on right here in the front. Just hold it in and it shuts it off. Turn it back on over there. It's in centigrade right now. Press it again and it goes to Fahrenheit. The button on the back here will change it to the pH, and I had some water on my hand that I've already pH'd at 7.0. Pretty sensitive and it picks up pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put this under an LED light and we'll see how that works out. I've turned off my overhead light. I'm going to go ahead and screw in one of my big LED bulbs that I did previous review. You can check that out, and if you can see right there, it's now reading high. Hopefully you can see that. Take the LED away and it's reading low. If it was like the sun coming up in the morning, as it's coming in, it says normal, and as it gets full strength, it says high. To switch back over from pH, you just move that button on the back side and it goes back to temperature, and it'll tell you whether your soil is dry or wet right there. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. Please share and subscribe. Take it easy.